Mode mainnet is live. Remember before now, we have just been interacting on the testnet, and now they have launched their mainnet, and it is officially announced that there will be airdrop for users who actually interact on their platform. So I will encourage you, please do as much as you can to participate in this mode mainnet, because it's going to be rewarding. You are going to be needing, I think, a minimum of $20 will be okay for you to interact on this mainnet. But guys, don't look at it that the money is high. You can use $20, you can use $50, you can use $100. Don't look at it that you are investing a lot of money. No. Just look at it that you are investing $20 or $50 to get about $800 or $1,000 to $5,000 by the time they are going to be rewarding users. Now, let me show you that it's not just ordinary sale. This is the announcement from their Medium page here. It's also on their Twitter handle. If you visit their Twitter page, you can see that most Sunrise Mainnet and Airdrop 1 is live. Of course, look at it here with 550 million mode available, which is 5.5%. And now, let me go down. I don't want to read all these stuff. Okay, look at what is important. Past on-chain activity. These are what they will look at to reward users. Past on-chain activity, which should be those that interacted on the testnet. You can see bridging, you can see referring friend, using ecosystem dApps, and completing quests, which is coming soon. Now look at Mode Sunrise Reward. This is the reward system. Mode has allocated 550 million modes, which is a 5.5 of their total supply, to the first campaign, which will reward users for growing the network based on the points they earn. Now, these 550 million tokens will be split between, you can see 400 million mode will be allocated to point airdrop, while 50 million will go to unlocked at TVL, 50 million additional mode unlocked at 20 million TVL. This is just saying when they meet 200 million total value lock, the 50 will be unlocked. When they get to 100 million total value locked, the 50 will be unlocked. And then the last 50 will go for 500 NFT lottery winners among the top 20% campaign participants. So it is very much certain that we are going to be rewarded handsomely for participating in this mode mainnet, guys. So that is why I'm advising you, please risk it, go and get $50, $100, or $20 and participate in this task, so that by the time they are going to reward users, you will not be left out. So if you are good to go, if you are on with me on this page and you want to participate, then all you just need to do is to go and click on the link in the description of this video, because you will need an invite link before you can start. Now look at it here. Of course, you can see I'm also using Sunworks on. Without it, you can't get started, because the first one is that you will need to have an invitation code. And you can see that I'm using Sunworks on and it has ticked good for me. So the next thing I will need to do is to connect my Twitter and then check my scores. So once you click on that link in the description of this video, it will bring you to this interface here, this platform we are seeing here. And by default, you are going to see my invitation code showing in this place here. And then here we need to tick good. Here will be ticked good for you. Then the next thing you need to do is to come here, connect your MetaMask wallet, right? So I'm going to choose MetaMask. I'm going to click next and then connect. So the next thing I will need to do, I will go ahead and connect my Twitter account. This is to prove that you're actually a human being, that you are not a bot. So I'm going to click on Authorize App. Once that is done, it's actually going to calculate, and you can see my past activities. You can see the points I have been able to gather, 143 points so far. And once you come down, you can see other dApps that are on the mode network that we need to exploit. Next thing we need to do here is to bridge to the mode network. Here you can see bridge ETH to earn points. So if you go to this place, it will take you to the bridge page, or better still, just come at the top here and click on bridge. So once you come to the bridge session here, this is where you have to bridge from Ethereum mainnet to the mode mainnet here. So of course you can see you need to have some ETH on your Ethereum mainnet. And if you don't have, what you just need to do is to go to any exchange you are using. It could be Binance, it could be BYBIT, it could be KuCoin, whichever one you are using. Buy some Ethereum there and send it over to your MetaMask wallet using ERC20 network, which is the Ethereum mainnet, and you get the fund on your Ethereum mainnet. So once you are here, what do you need to do? Just put the amount here. Of course, you can see I'm having, this is the amount I'm having here, 0.022 ETH here. So I'm going to bridge 0.0177. So this should be about $40 or $41 thereabout. So once that is done, I'm going to come down and click on bridge to mod, right? So here, of course, you can see the gas fee has increased from $6 they told me now. You can see now I'm paying $7.12 here. And the total I'm going to pay is $47 here, which is about 0.02 something ETH. Okay, it has reduced again to 6.90. That is almost $7, right? So I'm paying $47. So I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm transaction submitted, wait for confirmation. So let's be patient a bit. In order to confirm this transaction, let me just open my MetaMask and check if the fund has arrived on my mode mainnet. So once it opens, remember we are already on Ethereum mainnet. So I'm going to switch over to mode. Let me look for mode. Okay, look at it here. Mode mainnet. Click on it. And of course, you can see the token has arrived, 40 USDT, right? So I have actually completed the bridging right away. So what next? Let me go back to the airdrop page and see. Here you can see it, total ETH bridge. Now look at it. This is what I have bridged so far. You can see the total here. So that is to show you that I have completed this particular one. Now, so the next thing you need to do, you can see that check out our ecosystem and earn times 2 points. So maybe you just need to go ahead and let's go to mode DNS. Yeah. So we can get our mode domain name, and also it will be a multiplier. So let's see. I want to get a name. Let me say I want to get money Naija. And of course, you can see it is available. So if I click on it, let me see. I can see that I'm going to be spending $5 for this particular task here. So let me just go ahead and get the name right away. So if I click on, I will need to switch to mode network right now because I'm interacting on the mode mainnet. And of course, you can see this registration is for 1 year. It's just like when you are buying a domain name. For those of us that have websites, so you register the domain name. So that is the same thing. We are having a mode name here, domain name. So I'm going to click on register. And then look at the gas fee, $2.39. That is high. It's high anyway. So total, I'm going to be paying $7. But no issue. In as much as I'm going to make more than that, by the time they're going to reward us, no problem. So, registered success. I have successfully registered my mode name here. And of course, you can see it, moneynaija.mod here. So, I am good to go right away here. So, if I go back again, so let's refresh this page and see what happens. Okay, the point is still yet to be added, but I know with time it's actually going to be added. So let's see which one is this. Let's see another tab they have here. Okay, this one is their swap function here. So you can actually swap from ETH here, your mode ETH to maybe USDC. So let's see how it actually works, right? So first thing, let me come here and then connect my wallet, MetaMask. So I'm just exploring the dApps on their system, and I know all this interaction are being recorded. So the more interaction you do, the more points you get, and the more reward you might likely get as well. So it's very simple, very easy. Now you can see that the amount I have on my mod has reflected here. So let me say I want to swap 0.005. How much will it give me? Okay, this will be giving me $11, right? So I want to swap it to USDT here. So I can go ahead and proceed with this swap. So if I click on swap, and of course you can see the gas fee is just 51 cents. And I'm going to go ahead, approve this transaction, confirm. The transaction has been successfully completed. I'm going to click on done. So guys, I can also do more interaction here. Once I'm done with that, I can come here and select USDT. Remember, I swapped to USDT, and you can see it here. I'm having $11 here. So I can swap it back to, let's say, USDC. Yeah, I can go with USDC, and then I can click on max. Here do I have max? Okay, 100%. Let me swap all of them here, and then I will come down, click on approve. So I'm going to click on let me say max here, and then I'm going to click on next. Boom, of course you can see transaction confirmed. The transaction has been successfully completed. So I'll go ahead and click on done. So I can also come back again to, let's say I want to let me toggle this. I want to swap the USDC back to my ETH, right? So I can select ETH here, 100%, and I will also go click on approve. So I'm swapping everything here. I'll click on next and then approve. So I'll click on proceed to swap, right? And then finally, I will approve the transaction here. So of course, you can see transaction confirmed. Your transaction has been successfully completed. I'll click on done again. So I'm having all my funds now in my ETH on the mode network as well. So you can also come to end, and here you can see open position, pool, and the liquidity. That if you want to provide liquidity and other stuff, right? But I won't be doing that right now. So I can go back again to the platform here, and then let me check out these other dApps here. Absolutely capital efficiency for the mode network, DeFi ecosystem, or asset one utility UI. So I think let's go to launch app, see. Okay, this is if you want to provide liquidity pool. So you can supply liquidity here. You can supply stake your fund, and you are also good to go. But for now, I won't be doing this as well. Maybe with time, we can explore all this stuff, but we have done the major one. And if you watch, these are the only 3 dApps that are on the mode network for now. So we still have to wait and then be patient. So all you just need to do is to go ahead, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon, because I'm also going to be bringing you more updates in the progress of this their mainnet interaction here. See you in my next video. Bye for now.